the historic 2017 successful police operation in Usami City and in the whole province of Misamis Occidental. Grabe ang increase sa trust and confidence ng mga tao sa ating kapulisan. And I am talking about people from all walks of life. Mula sa mga driver ng motor, to the construction worker, to the bank employees, the bank managers, to the professionals, the lawyers, the doctors, the engineers, to our big businessmen who are here. Grabe ang aming trust and confidence. And what is amazing is 8 years or 7 years after, because now it's already 2024, that trust and confidence of the people is still there. And that is because of every one of your efforts and commitment. That is why this night is a dedication to all our police officers of the 2nd District, ma-PNCO, ma-PPSG, ma-Lieutenant, ma-Colonel. This is a dedication night, a Thanksgiving night sa lahat ng inyong sakripisyo, sa lahat ng inyong dedikasyon, sa lahat ng inyong commitment in maintaining the peace and order of the 2nd District of Misamis Occidental. We are very lucky, we are very fortunate, and we are very blessed, that we have you as our guardians that allow us to sleep soundly at night and to travel around Misamis Occidental with confidence that we are in good hands, that we are safe because of your efforts and because of your sacrifices. That is why tonight, let us be merry, let us celebrate tonight as part of our Thanksgiving to all of you. Of course, we will have our band that will continue to play until di na mo gusto maminaw. So, if you want to sing, feel free to come up on stage. Every singer will have 2,000 additional cash gift basta makanta. So, ipalis na lang. Kinahanglan karo ang pagkanta. Huwag pasabot, gilingon nga basin, malabihan na sa beer, malabihan na sa ginom, magyama-yama na lang. Kinahanglan klaro. And of course, as we go on, we will have our raffle draw for everyone. 635 members minus ang mga absent, yung walang diri. Of course, if you are not here, if you get kung mabulunan sa raffle, then I'm sorry, meron lang mga few police officers na we allow even if wala sila diri, because we have I think 11 police officers who are in Manila, with the governor, with Mayor Indy, so ato kong tagaan ng exception. So you see here our prizes. Hindi na nang kung ma-memorize kung saan. We have 10 units of 43-inch Smart TV. Malipay mo makadaho ng TV. So we have 10 units of Smart 43-inch TV. Nakatay 15 units of rice cooker. Malipay mo kung daw kung rice cooker. We have 15 units of Dowel stand fan. We have 10 units of Samsung 2-door refrigerators. And we have 8 units of Samsung 55-inch smart TV only. Ano na tayo duha na Honda XRM 125. Ano ba kung nalipay sa walang printay ito? Ano na tayo 1 unit Honda CRF 150. It's gusto mga naon sa mga motor. Of course, sa akong gingon nga ganina, Mayor Indy Senso Pinoy Congressman is well represented. Pero pagtawag na ko sa iya, siyempre si Mayor, hindi mo tayo makatipog nila if we do not ask the permission of the Mayor. So I called up Mayor Indy. I told him they can reschedule the PNP dinner on December 16. Ano siya nga, yes, sure, coordinate lang kung ano, kung can you be there? Siya nga, I will be in Manila from December 14 to December 17, no, for a very important event. So, si Iko nga, kanino gamit na din exclusively, mag-rent ka ani. Because this is the property of the city. So, kung wala si Mayor Indy, kung ay naman may pabanga, ikaw na lang bayad. Na, of course, miingon si Mayor Indy nga, sure, wala yung problema. Iko nga, pwede na ito dumagan, kaya wamang ka. So, iko nga, kung saan man mo gusto, iko, mag-sponsor ka o raffle. So, kadugaya na mong storya, no? We talk for, I think, mga more than 15 minutes. Kami ni Mayor Indy, hindi magkita sige. We don't see each other always because when we're in Manila, he has his own place, I have my own place. Si Goku in another place. So even if we're in Manila, sometimes hindi mag-abot. But here in Kusamis, of course, hindi rin nag-abot because we stay in one place. So, but despite that, we always we talk every day. He gives me feedback about everything that's happening here in Kusamis. No? So ako siyang hihingan. So, ikaw nga, ikaw may grand prize raffle. So, nilingon si Mayor Indy, okay ra, sige, udunay ko for the raffle, one winner of 500,000 pesos. Pagpag na natin si Mayor Indy. So, ako sa hihingan, okay ra, nawala ka, dili na sila minawon mo, kaya naala kayo 500,000. And of course, because again, this is a very special night for everyone, we will add another raffle, our grand prize raffle for all of you would be 1 million pesos. Who wants to be a millionaire? Okay, but again, no? Ayaw mong kabalaga, no? Kung dili manggali, mabunutan ang inyong ngalan sa mga atong giandang na pagpremyo karong gabi, pwede mo mukanta na amoy 2,000 pesos bonus. Of course, we also have our heartfelt gifts sa inyuha. Aduna tayo food bags, no? Courtesy of Ozami City officials headed by Mayor Indy Wamina. I-distribute later. And of course, we also have our special congressman's pack to all of you and to all officers who are present. Kung di man galing mo magbunutan, rest assured, aduna mo'y madawang all of you a consolation cash prize of 10,000 pesos. doon sa inyong table para itunol ang inyong cash gift and inyong mga food box gikan sa inyong congressman o Mayor Indy at LGU. So, hindi na naman no, tonight is a night na gusto mo spoiled ang PNP. Hindi gusto mo pila mo. Hindi gusto mo pila mo. Just stay in your seats. The beer is bottomless. No? Kung pila na nahulog nila, do not worry. As long as you're here,
1 million.
the cases of beers will come and come. No? Hantod sa kamunay o surrender. Okay? So, to our second district PNP family, by the way, District 1 nga mga hepe, as requested by Lieutenant Anoos, you are part of the raffle. Okay, all who are present will be part of the raffle. Okay, so again, Colonel Magleo PD, sa atong mga hepe, sa atong anang miyembro sa kapulisan sa segundo distrito Misamis Occidental, daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong kaisog, sa inyong sakripisyo o sa ngalan sa atuang Governor Henry Waminal, sa atuang City Mayor, of course our incoming Congressman Indy Waminal, o sa inyong Congressman nga Gapang